How to maintain streak on Snapchat application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can maintain your streak on your Snapchat application. So first thing what you want to do is simply open your Snapchat application, and once you're inside here, just select any photo, or you can also click a photo just like this and simply click on send to a button over here. And as you can see, there is a fire option emoji right in next to the person's face over here. So those are actually the friends which I am going on streak with. So that means I am basically maintaining the streak of sending snaps to them just like this. So to maintain this streak, you just have to continually send them the photos every single day, and just like that you can easily maintain the streak with all of your friends with whom you have been sharing your past photos or snaps just like that. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.